I am guilty of being someone who does not read her books to completion sometimes, but I refuse to call them unfinished. I have plenty of time, hopefully, to pick them up maybe 20 days later, 20 months, or 20 years, who knows, but let's just call them half read till now. And I have a sweet little collection of them which I wanted to share with you. Firstly, we'll start with the book On Photography by Susan Sontag. The book opens directly to the aftermath of war and how people click pictures of the dead, of the buried, of the blood, and they assume a false illusion of having the power of capturing the truth. But it is such a dense take on photography and our obsessive need to document everything, how it gives us a sense of power because we are always detached from the actual situation. We click pictures of the poor, the street vendors, people sitting on footpath or the chai stalls, and we tend to aestheticize everything. Let's just say that I looked at Instagram feed of mine with a very different lens after reading that book. The other one is A Little Life. You remember that episode from Friends where Joey and Rachel exchange their books and Joey's reading A Little Women? When Beth is really sick, he gets scared and Rachel goes,
Joey,
Yeah.
you want to put the book in the freezer?
Okay.
Okay.
somebody please book that book in the freezer for me. I am scared. I get the hype, the writing is solid. Within 15 to 20 pages, I was invested in the characters, in their storyline, and I get very protective about my fictional characters, which I was while reading the book. And I've seen so many people crying on the internet towards the end of the book, and I'm only halfway through it, so I'm assuming that it only gets worse from here. So I paused it. I don't know. I'll pick it up when I pick it up. The other one is Everything I Know About Love. I paused it because I thought that I'll be enjoying it much more than I was doing, and I think I was not doing justice to the book. It's funny, it's like a journal entry of dating life. It's a light read. I'll get back to it. The other one is Women Who Run with the Wolves. This book is like going to your nani dadi ka gaon and they are telling stories about their grandparents, some myths and folk tales and spooky stories. When you would get so excited, आप इसे खाट के बराबर में पेड़ के बराबर में बैठ के उनकी बातें सुन रहे होते हो. This book is like that. It has a lot of mystical tales and largely it talks about women and what would happen if they did not contain their rage and intuition and intuitiveness and all the wildness. I saw this book on Sobita Dulipala's Instagram feed. वो गाड़ी में बैठ के I think कचौड़ी खा रही है and this book is lying beside her and I commented on the post, somebody please tell me name of the book, and a kind stranger on the internet did reply with the name and my friend got this for me. I do get back to it sporadically. Then there is A Complete Essays by Michel de Montaigne. This is like talking to a friend जो किसी भी चीज को philosophize कर सकते हैं. You talk about road or global warming or a cello का pen and they will talk about it like poetry so eloquently and with such nice words. There is no structure to his essays. There is no chronology in which you have to read these essays. It's just he's thinking out loud and he's just writing them down. It will start off with very sharp and witty and brutal observations about the society and to himself. He's extremely honest about himself and his observations. And he'll end up talking about something as random as why do people do not cut their nails or whatever. It makes no sense and that's the best part. I read 1 or 2 essays in like a week or two. I've been reading it since more than a year now and I'm not taking it as any deadline. मुझे कोई assignment नहीं करना इन किताबों पे, so I'll read them slowly whenever I feel like it. I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one who does that, so please tell me if you have those books which you read in like a lot of months and years. I would like to have a company in that feeling. If you made it till this part of the video, thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time.